Welcome to our roundup of the best LED headlights, powerful lighting upgrades designed to improve nighttime driving visibility, safety, and overall road confidence. LED headlight bulbs have become a popular replacement for traditional halogen bulbs because they provide brighter illumination, cooler color temperatures, and longer lifespans. Many modern LED headlights offer plug-and-play installation, efficient cooling systems, and optimized beam patterns that help drivers see farther down the road without creating glare for other vehicles. Whether you're upgrading dim factory headlights or simply looking for better nighttime visibility, these options deliver strong performance and reliability. Let's take a closer look at some of the best LED headlights available right now. Starting with the Katana H7 LED headlight. This model is a popular upgrade for drivers who want brighter and clearer road visibility compared to traditional halogen bulbs. These bulbs typically produce a crisp 6500K cool white light that improves clarity during nighttime driving and poor weather conditions. Many versions offer significantly increased brightness, often delivering around 4 times the output of standard halogen lights, helping illuminate road signs and obstacles more effectively. The design usually focuses on easy installation with a plug-and-play setup, meaning most drivers can install the bulbs without additional wiring or complicated modifications. Advanced LED chips and optimized beam patterns help distribute light evenly on the road while minimizing dark spots and glare. With durable construction and efficient heat dissipation, these bulbs provide long-lasting performance for drivers who want a simple but noticeable lighting upgrade. Next up is the Topic H11 9005 LED Combo, a versatile headlight kit designed to upgrade both high beam and low beam at the same time. Combo kits like this are popular because they allow drivers to achieve consistent brightness and color temperature across all headlights. These bulbs often produce bright white light around the 6000 to 6500K range, which improves nighttime visibility while giving vehicles a modern lighting appearance. Many versions feature high-efficiency LED chips combined with cooling fans or heat sink systems that help maintain stable performance during extended use. The beam pattern is usually engineered to mimic the original halogen design, so light remains focused on the road rather than scattering upward. This helps improve safety for both the driver and oncoming traffic. With simple plug-and-play installation and wide vehicle compatibility, the Topic Combo Kit offers a practical and affordable lighting upgrade. Moving on to the Headlight 9012 LED headlight. These bulbs are well known for their balanced combination of brightness, efficiency, and reliability. Many models in the Headlight lineup are designed to provide several times the brightness of halogen bulbs while maintaining a clean and focused beam pattern. Drivers often choose this brand because it delivers strong illumination without producing excessive glare for other road users. These bulbs typically feature aviation-grade aluminum construction and built-in cooling systems that help dissipate heat quickly. Efficient cooling is important because it helps extend the lifespan of LED chips and maintain consistent brightness over time. The plug-and-play design also makes installation straightforward, allowing most drivers to complete the upgrade within minutes without professional help. Stepping up in brightness and durability, the Terminator 9005 HB3 LED headlight provide a strong lighting upgrade for drivers who frequently travel at night or on poorly lit roads. These bulbs are designed to produce a bright white beam that significantly improves road visibility and reaction time. The advanced LED chips used in many models help project light farther down the road while maintaining a focused beam pattern that reduces glare. Another key feature is the cooling system, which often includes high-speed silent fans or heat-dissipating aluminum bodies. These cooling technologies help prevent overheating and extend the overall lifespan of the bulbs. Many versions are also designed to be compatible with most vehicle electrical systems, reducing the chances of flickering or warning messages on modern dashboards. Taking the top spot is the Headlight H13 9008 LED headlight, a powerful and well-engineered lighting upgrade designed to deliver exceptional brightness and long-term durability. Some models can produce extremely high light output, offering dramatically improved visibility compared with traditional halogen bulbs, while maintaining a clear and focused beam pattern. These bulbs typically feature advanced LED chips, a 6000 to 6500K daylight white color temperature, and intelligent drivers that help ensure compatibility with most vehicles. High-speed cooling fans and copper heat dissipation systems help maintain stable performance and extend the bulb's lifespan to tens of thousands of hours. The compact plug-and-play design also allows installation in just a few minutes without complicated modifications. Because of its strong brightness, efficient cooling system, and reliable performance, this model stands out as one of the most capable LED headlight upgrades available today. All of these LED headlights serve different needs depending on your vehicle type, driving conditions, and brightness preferences. The Katana H7 LED headlight provide a strong brightness upgrade with simple installation. The Topic H11 9005 LED combo offers convenient high and low beam replacement in one kit. The Headlight 9012 LED headlight balance performance and reliability for everyday driving. The Terminator 9005 HB3 LED headlight deliver powerful illumination for darker roads. And the Headlight H13 9008 LED headlight stand out with exceptional brightness, advanced cooling, and long lifespan. That wraps up our list of the best LED headlights. If you're looking to improve nighttime driving visibility, upgrade outdated halogen bulbs, or simply give your vehicle brighter and more modern lighting, one of these options could be the perfect fit. Let us know in the comments which LED headlight you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and drive safer with the right LED headlights for your vehicle.